Welcome to this deep dive into one of the most fascinating concepts in probability theory, the exponential distribution and its unique memoryless property. Have you ever felt that the longer you wait for a bus, the closer it must be to arriving? While that feels intuitive, for certain natural processes, the universe simply doesn't care how long you've been waiting. This is the essence of being memoryless. The exponential distribution is the continuous sibling of the geometric distribution. It describes the time between events in a Poisson point process, events that happen independently and at a constant average rate. Mathematically, it is defined by the parameter lambda, or theta, which represents the rate of occurrence. The probability density function, or PDF, shows us how the likelihood of an event occurring right now decays over time. Let's look at the formula. F of x, theta equals theta e to the minus theta x for x greater than or equal to 0. Here, theta is the rate. If we are talking about a light bulb that lasts 1,000 hours on average, theta would be 0.001. Notice the shape of the curve. It starts high and drops off. This tells us that shorter intervals between events are more common than very long ones. Now let's address the star of the show, the memoryless property. In formal terms, a random variable x is memoryless if the probability that x exceeds s plus t, given that it has already exceeded s, is exactly the same as the probability that x exceeds t from the very beginning. Mathematically, p of x greater than s plus t, given x greater than s, equals p of x greater than t. Imagine you are at a bus stop where arrivals follow an exponential distribution. You've been waiting for 20 minutes, s. The memoryless property says that the probability you have to wait 10 more minutes, t, is the same as the probability a person who just arrived at the stop has to wait 10 minutes. The system forgets the 20 minutes you've already spent standing there. Is this realistic for a bus? Usually no, because buses follow schedules. But for radioactive decay, it is perfect. An atom of carbon-14 doesn't get old. Whether it has existed for 5 minutes or 5,000 years, its probability of decaying in the next second remains exactly the same. It has no internal clock, no wear and tear, and no memory of its own age. To prove this, we look at the cumulative distribution function, or CDF, which is f of x equals 1 minus e to the minus theta x. The survival function, which is the probability of lasting longer than x, is p of x greater than x equals e to the minus theta x. When we plug this into the conditional probability formula, the terms involving the past time, s, cancel out perfectly, leaving us only with the term for the future time, t. This property has massive implications in reliability engineering. If a component's lifespan is exponentially distributed, it means it fails due to sudden external shocks rather than wearing out. In such cases, preventative replacement is useless. Replacing a 1-year-old part with a brand new one wouldn't change the probability of a failure tomorrow. In the world of technology, we see this in call centers and data centers. The time between incoming calls or the time between server requests often follows this distribution. Engineers use the mean time between failures, or MTBF, to model these systems. If the system is memoryless, the expected remaining life is always equal to the original mean, regardless of current age. In summary, the exponential distribution is the only continuous distribution that possesses the memoryless property. It serves as a fundamental building block for queuing theory and stochastic processes. While our human intuition often falls for the gambler's fallacy, thinking a win is due because we've been losing, the exponential distribution reminds us that some parts of the universe truly start fresh every single moment. References: 1. Sheldon Ross, A First Course in Probability. 2. John E. Friend, Mathematical Statistics. 3. Papoulis, Probability, Random Variables, and Stochastic Processes. 4. Gujarati, Basic Econometrics for Application in Arrival Rates.